In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Webflow. Start by heading to your Webflow account and opening your dashboard. If you work across multiple workspaces, choose the one where your project lives. Then switch to the All Sites view so you can see every project in that workspace. Find the site you want to edit and click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Once you're in the designer, open the Pages panel from the left toolbar. Locate the page you want to hide, hover over it, and click the Settings gear to open its page settings. This is where you control things like the page name, SEO, and, importantly for us, access. Scroll to the Visibility or Access section. You'll likely see it set to Public by default, which means anyone on the internet can access this page. That description usually reads, "Anyone on the internet can access this page," and it's a helpful reminder of the current state. To hide the page, switch to Access Control and choose Restrict Access. From the available options, select Anyone with the password. This places the page behind a password gate, so only people you share the password with can view it. If you're prompted to add a password, pick something strong and store it securely. Before closing the settings, give the options one more look. Verify the selection has moved from Public to Anyone with the password, so the restriction is definitely active. Webflow saves page settings as you go, and the change will take effect the next time your site is published. After that, visitors who try to open this page will be asked for the password, while the rest of your site remains fully accessible. This approach is perfect for pages under construction, client review areas, event details, or private resources like pricing and documentation. You can safely share the page URL and the password with just the people who need it. If you want to keep a record of what changed, open the changelog settings and add a short note such as "hid page with a password for review." It's optional, but it helps teams stay aligned about why a page is restricted. One quick caution: you can also delete a page entirely if it's no longer needed, but deletion is permanent. Only choose that if you're absolutely sure you won't need the content again. And that's it. Open your project, go to the Pages panel, open the Pages settings, switch from Public to Restrict Access, and choose Anyone with the password. Your page is now effectively hidden from the public and only accessible